Are you frustrated by noise from a serpentine belt? If so, you're in the right place to get to the bottom of it. One of the most common is a consistent rhythmic chirp. This can be caused by a worn belt, worn pulley bearings, belt contamination, pulley misalignment, or even just a low-quality belt. Diagnosing this type of noise should be approached with a thorough inspection of the belt and drive system. Inspect the belt for excessive cracks, worn ribs, or glazing. If the ribs are shiny in appearance, this is a glazed belt. It's caused by slipping, which eventually polishes the belt to give it this appearance. A glazed belt suffers from loss of grip, and while the root cause must be addressed, the damage cannot be reversed and the belt must be replaced. Like a tire, the friction between the belt and the pulleys wears away at the belt, not only on the top side, but the ribbed side as well. If the ribs are worn, the grooves of the belt will bottom out on the pulley, preventing proper contact with the ribs, and the belt will start to slip. Continental provides this simple wear gauge that can properly measure groove depth, the overall thickness of the belt, and to help quantify the numbers of cracks allowable in the belt. Inspect all pulleys for damage or debris lodged in the grooves. Inspect belt routing and tensioner pulleys for worn bearings, evidenced by noise or free play. Inspect for pulley misalignment using a straight edge or laser, and inspect the tensioner for proper travel and operation. If you are experiencing an intermittent belt squeal that occurs immediately after starting, or when additional load is placed on a driven accessory, such as the air conditioning compressor, alternator, or power steering pump, the problem is likely the result of low belt tension, which could be caused by belt wear, a worn tensioner, or the incorrect belt. It may also be caused by excessive drag on a failing accessory or pulley bearing. Finally, if the drive includes an overrunning alternator decoupler or OAD, the OAD should be inspected. Either type of noise can be caused by fluid contamination, which is the result of exposure to oil, power steering fluid, antifreeze, belt dressing, or any other chemicals that may affect the integrity of the belt. Spraying water on a serpentine belt while the engine is running can help diagnose a belt noise problem. Use only water. Do not use belt dressing, which can damage the belt and cause even more noise. If it temporarily stops a consistent chirp, the problem is likely misalignment between pulleys. If you have a squealing noise and it gets worse, the problem is related to insufficient belt tension. If you have a hard to isolate accessory drive belt noise, try removing the belt and running the engine. If the noise is still present after the belt is removed, other noise sources may become evident. If the source of the problem isn't evident, it may simply be the belt, and this is a great time to consider Continental's multi-V belts. With their advanced EPDM compounds, they virtually eliminate the chirps, squeaks, and squeals associated with minor pulley misalignment, and a polyester tensile member improves dimensional stability, controlling elongation and eliminating slip. Continental's multi-V belts are designed to improve repair efficiency, eliminate problems, and provide quiet performance and a long service life. Remember, the belt does not operate on its own. It's a part of a system that includes components with similar life expectancies. Proper belt drive preventative maintenance should include a belt and tensioner inspection at every oil change, with a consideration to replace beginning at 60,000 miles. Good maintenance procedures should include the replacement of all system components, including tensioner, pulley, OAD, and belt at the same time, to bring the system up to its original condition. Thanks for watching.